Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make a calculator using ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can understand natural language and perform calculations. With this calculator you can do basic as well as more complex operations like trigonometry and logarithms. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open chat window with ChatGPT like I've done now through an online chat platform such as OpenAI Playground or a messaging app that integrates with ChatGPT. Once you are in a chat window with ChatGPT, you can start typing your calculations using natural language. For example, I have equation examples here that I'm gonna put into ChatGPT. And let's wait for how would ChatGPT respond to it. Now we are seeing we have seen that ChatGPT is solving the equation here. So this is an easy way for you to use ChatGPT as a calculator. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you.